Hi guys, it's Keith from Hometown Fitness. Just wanted to talk about the health benefits of porridge oats. Okay, I've been having these for years. It's very healthy for you. It's a complex carbohydrate, so that's really good because it's a very slow burning fuel. Helps to keep cravings at bay. So and the benefits as far as it keeps your blood sugar stable, so you're not getting the dips and the spikes. So it's good at preventing like type 2 diabetes and things like that, and for people that have got diabetes it's a good thing to have. So it's also a good thing to lose weight as well, obviously, because with keeping the cravings at bay, you're not going to be wanting to pick at this, that and the other. So it's very good for breakfast because it's so easy to miss out on breakfast, skip breakfast and just go and snack on rubbish. But it's full of fibre. You've got, if you have a look at the ingredients on this, again, one of the best things about it is 100% oatmeal. I think very, very healthy for you. It's good for your back bowel movements, so obviously that's a great thing. Keeps you moving. Okay, so what I'm going to put on the oatmeal is some cinnamon, because cinnamon is very good. It's got antioxidants and it's got fat burning properties, and it spices it up and just makes it taste a little better. And then we're going to put some water on it as well. Okay, and then we're going to add it into the microwave. Okay, so that's about how I like it. Everyone's different. Okay, but obviously you can see it sort of increases a bit in size, or volume should I say. Sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on, spice it up, put in a bit of flavour as well. But obviously you can add whatever you want. You can put blueberries in. Another good thing I like to put in sometimes is just a few healthy almonds. Okay, just to give it a bit of a nutty flavour. Of course, that's high in protein and healthy fats. So there you go. There you have it. A healthy breakfast. You can have not just at breakfast, mind. You can have it any time in the day, and it will keep you going because of the slow burning fuel that it is with the slow carbohydrate. Okay, so there you go.